Hello and welcome to another reveal of a Papercraft Society box. This next box looks absolutely wonderful. I've not delved into it yet. I always save this for the reveal video, so I've no idea what's going to be in here. I'm really excited though. It looks like we're looking at our autumn and our fall projects. So let's take a peek inside. Of course we have the Velcro box there. Now the camera's quite close today, so Crafting Makes the World Go Round from Christina. Yes, of course. So this is from Christina Griffiths of Card Making Magic. Now, we've had a Papercraft Society box from her before, and it was so popular. It was absolutely wonderful. Now, there's some things in there. Let me pop that to the side for a moment, and let's always have a look at this folder first, because I know this is always jam-packed full. First of all, the colours on this are gorgeous, so I can just imagine. So we've got, don't be afraid to snip into die cuts for a different look. Now we have papers first of all, beautiful backing papers I'd imagine. Let's have a look and see what we've got. So we've got, okay, so we've got two of each design. They are gorgeous, aren't they? They have got that beautiful autumnal feel about them. You could absolutely be snipping into these as well. We've got the beautiful greens there. We've got some, it's almost like a mauve colour or a grey colour, but that is stunning. That's not like a backing paper I've ever seen before. And lastly, see, I recognise that. That was the print on that box that I really like, or on the, on the packaging here. That's gorgeous. Now I can imagine me actually fussy cutting some of those out as well. Really good quality cardstock is always in the Papercraft Society boxes as well. So next we've got some stamps. Let's see, what have we got here? Now if I just take one of these papers and pop this behind so you can really see clearly, that is beautiful, isn't it? We've got very much a harvest feel here. Simply thankful for all the good things. Of course, Thanksgiving, that really will work beautifully for these sorts of cards if you're overseas from the UK. We've got warmest wishes, thinking of you this season on your birthday. Thanks for everything. With love, sending wishes your way. We've got some gorgeous foliage here that we can be building up and can imagine creating some wreaths and some borders with these. We've got it's like the rose hip ones there. We've got different leaves as well. We've got the wheat as well. We've got some flowers that we could be colouring in, and I love these berries. They look yummy. Now I'm thinking September time, I think, and towards the middle end of September is usually when the blackberries come out near me. Can't wait to go blackberry picking this year. They are beautiful. So a full sheet there, I think that's about A5, full sheet of stamps. Now we've got some dies. So now it looks like we've got actually some outline dies in here. So I'd imagine some of those outline dies may well fit along with these. So if we just have a little look, I can see that we've got some leaves and some flowers here that are going to fit with our stamps. We've actually got a large one here. Now if I just turn this over and see, so can you see that actually fits perfectly around that stamp. Now of course we've got our outline dies, and we've got some more wheat there as well, which is larger than this wheat, so it's a separate die. It looks like in between the ears all cuts out as well. But we've got this gorgeous like a wreath border. I can't wait to cut that and see what it looks like. Now it looks like you actually get the cut into the cardstock, a beautiful aperture there, and then you've got the option of a second die which is separate, a border die. And I love this wavy shape. It's really unusual, isn't it? Really gorgeous. I love that. I think this is such a different kit. I mean, it's still flowers you'd expect from Christina usually, wouldn't you? Some flowers and things, but I love the season that she's chosen, the time of year and the colours. So just having a look, the last bit here that's in the pack, we've got some foiled toppers. So let me just turn that over. Look at these. So of course they match beautifully with the backing papers, with the stamps as well, and they are foiled gold. They are beautiful, absolutely stunning. Those purples are amazing. Can you see that foiling in there? If I just tilt that leaf. Oh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. It really is. We've got autumn greeting. Thanks for everything. Congratulations. Birthday wishes. Wonderful friend. Simply thankful for all of the good things. And again, that's foiled. I'm trying to get the light for you so you can see the foiling on it. in all the areas. This is a couple of different die cuts here as well, so we've got the borders on there also. So I'll pop them back in their packets in a moment. Let's delve into the box and see what else we might have in there. There's always other goodies in there. As always, of course, with the Papercraft Society box, you do get a 36-page booklet, and in this we have all sorts of tips and tutorials there for you to follow using all the products that are inside the box. Now, I don't like to go into that at the moment. I like to leave that more of a surprise for you. So that's for you to delve in and have a look at when you receive your box. I always use this paper as well. I use it for other things. So we've got the card that says a little sparkle makes all the difference from Christina. And oh, perfect. Okay, so a guide to adhesive tapes. Now with this guide, this is giving you double-sided tape, red liner tape, foam tape and pads, washi tape, low tack tape and transfer tape pens. And I'm guessing all the pros, whether there's any cons with any of these. Really handy to keep all these cards because the information on them you're going to need to come back to time and time again, maybe to remind yourself, but so helpful, those cards. So we've got some coordinating cardstock first of all in here, and this is, let's have a flick through. What have we got here? I'm going to just flick through this way. So we've got 2 sheets of orange there, and then we've got 2 sheets of that. That is the most gorgeous purple I think I've ever seen, and it's double-sided as well. It looks like it's got a white core. It's a really good quality cardstock as well. Perfect for stamping, embossing, die cutting. I love that. It's really good quality. So we've got some more cardstock. Oh look, and goodies in there. There's a lot in this box. So let me just take these out. This is how they'll come to you as well, with all that packaging to keep everything safe. Oh, we've got mirror card in different, so we've got gold, and then we've got this amazing rose gold. That is just beautiful. I just wish I could really pick up. I've got a white top on today, so you can probably see that reflecting. So it's actually a really pinky orangey gold there. That is just stunning. I love that colour. So this is like a textured mirror card. It's single-sided, so it's going to be really easy to die cut. I love that. Matting and layering, beautiful. It's going to match actually really well with those backing papers as well. Now we have wooden buttons. These are the teeniest, the cutest little wooden buttons I think I've ever seen. They're amazing, aren't they? Are they so cute? I love those. So we've got an awful lot in there actually. We've got some ink pads. Now, of course, these ink pads are all going to match perfectly with everything else. Everything coordinates. So these ink pads are beautiful. We've got this green that looks to me to be a bit like an olive green. We've got the orange. Do you know what? I'm thinking Halloween as well. If you craft for Halloween, these are going to be perfect for you. Of course, the pads are always darker than the actual colour that comes out. And then we've got the purple as well. So beautiful. They are all going to work so well together. We've got some paper lace doilies. Now, I want to open these up because I'm curious to see how many are in here. I don't even know if I can count them because it feels like there's an awful lot. There are a lot. I would say, so I've got 1, 2, I would say you've at least got 10, maybe even 15 in there. There's a lot of paper doilies in there. Of course, they all stick together, don't they? Because they're very thin, very intricate, very detailed. They are beautiful, aren't they? Absolutely stunning. And again, perfect for this theme. So let's pop these back in. Last and not least, of course, we have our ribbon as well. So this is the grosgrain ribbon. It's like a deep orange colour. Hopefully you can pick that up okay there. The sun's out today, so it always plays with the colours on camera, but that is a beautiful deep orange. As you can tell, it's similar to what's on the card there. That is beautiful. You've got quite a lot there actually. If I just remove this piece of tape, stick that across there. We can have a look at how much we've actually, oh, it goes on and on. There's a lot there, and it's still going. I'd say probably a metre if I was to guess. So that's all in there as well. Do you know what? This is a beautiful kit, and it's so unexpected We usually expect pinks and purples from Christina, don't we? We usually expect to see her florals. She's done lots of her alphabets and things before, and beautiful images. But to do something like this, it really is very different. And I'd imagine you're probably not likely to have anything like this already in your crafting stash. So why don't you have a look at Papercraft Society? You can go to the website papercraftsociety.co.uk and find out more details about this box and previous boxes. And if you subscribe, you can have this delivered to your door completely for free, and you can subscribe so you get it every month. You don't have to worry about reordering it or whether it's going to sell out, because you will have yours coming to you straight away.